All right, we're back for another cleaning tip. This is a car detailing tip. As you can see, we've got the tire and rim already sprayed. As usual, we're using our super clean degreaser. What you want to do now is, what we're demonstrating is a trick that a lot of really good professional car detailers use, and that's cleaning up these wheel wells. You'll see that we can do it quite easily with our degreaser. We're going to be using that in this pump sprayer here, and all you're going to do is just get in there in the wheel well and cover it pretty well with this degreaser, and then we're going to hit it with our pressure washer. Alright, there you have it. That's how you get the wheel wells cleaned out. Nice and clean. And the rims here, we want to make sure we don't leave that cleaner on there that long. We want to be ready to go ahead and get it off right away, especially on mag wheels.